let's take a look at the new agent workspace and social messaging. So here I am, a customer on our website, Shulala. I want to make a purchase, but before I do that, I want to ask a question. So I open up the omnichannel web widget, and I'm met with AnswerBot, who asks me if I have any questions. Now, I want to know how long shipping will take, so I go ahead and type that in. AnswerBot searches for an answer and presents me with a few different options. Now, these options are good, but it doesn't quite answer my question. So I let AnswerBot know that I actually need a little bit more help. I click on Get in Touch, and I decide I want to start a live chat. I start a live chat, and I ask my question. Now I'm going to move over to our Zendesk agent experience. I can see that the chat has come in. I'm going to open up and accept the chat. Now this opens up the new agent workspace. If you're already familiar with Zendesk, you'll see aspects of this experience that might be familiar to you. But there's a lot of new stuff going on that I want to talk about. The first thing you'll notice is the new conversational view in the middle of the screen. Here, I can see the conversation I'm having with Jane Doe. She's asked how long does it take to ship, and I've joined as the agent. I can go ahead and reply. All the features that I know and love with chat is available in the agent workspace. For example, I could use a shortcut. I can transfer the chat if I like. I have all these options available to me within the new agent workspace. Now, I also have all the context about the customer. So if I need to look up any information, including who the customer is, what their phone number is, email address, etc., it's all available in the Essentials card. Looking below, I can see what pages the customer has been on before they started the chat in the chat visitor card. And scrolling down, I can see all the past conversations and chats they've had, and I can also see the different interactions that the customer has had with Shulala. This is all captured in the interaction history. Finally, because the agent workspace integrates all these channels into one place, after I end the chat, I can easily follow up with an email. Now, not only can I follow up with an email, as you can see here, I can also place a phone call. All the channels that you might need to connect with your customer is available in one unified conversation in the agent workspace. And with our Omnichannel Composer, it's possible to respond through any of those channels depending on what your customer might prefer or what might be easiest for your business. Before I end the demo, I'm going to quickly show you how social messaging integrates into the agent workspace. So I've gone ahead and sent a question through WhatsApp. And after a couple of seconds, I can see that the messages appear. I open it up, and it opens up a conversation. Again, if this customer has reached out before, you have context about this customer. And oh, it looks like I asked the same question in the past. I can go ahead and respond. And again, I have all the different options for replying to the customer, including placing a phone call, or if I had their email address, sending an email. Everything about the customer is captured in this one place. And again, I have all the options to wrap up this conversation and move on to my next issue. And that's the agent workspace. One unified conversation with all the context you need about the customer all in one place. The agent workspace is going to make it so much easier for agents to respond to customers faster, be more productive on all their interactions, and be able to work across multiple channels without having to context switch or use multiple apps or learn multiple applications.